Right-click on the text that you'd like to edit and select Header from the drop-down menu. Now you'll be able to click Start Editing. This will allow you to change the text. After you've changed the text, simply click outside of the box and you can see what the changes look like. Right-click again and go back to Header. Click on Widget Styles and we'll be able to change the style of the text. You can increase the font size and change the font colors as well. Select the font colors from this slider and specific hues from this table. After you found the color you want, click OK. Now you can see what the new text looks like.